Found a modded swing door here. Ooh, this thing is under level. This is 1710 Walnut Street, Berkeley, California. That's so weird, the door closes even when there's no calls. Alright, here we go. Oh man, no, they didn't even lower it. It's still in the same height. Oh, they replaced the controller and everything. The buttons light up. Interesting. Door open works. Not sure who did this mod. Animation Bruiser. This looks to have been an Atlas. It's got the same, like, Atlases usually have like a little skinny part right there. New doors. Yeah, this thing got a lot of replacements. It's been altered quite a bit. Alright, that will be it.